Very good morning students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and staying at your home. So students, today I am going to teach you English of class LKG. We were previously doing cursive, small cursive alphabets, which we have done up to G, alphabet G. So today I am going to make you know that how will we write alphabet H and I in small cursive. So as you can see on the screen, this is alphabet H, capital, and this is small cursive H. So I will make you learn how we will write alphabet H. So it is written in upper three lines. This is the alphabet H. What you have to do, you have to start from blue line going on the top, then like this. स्टार्ट करेंगे ब्लू लाइन से, ऊपर जाएंगे और फिर इसके बाद में इसको मोड़ के इस तरीके से कर देंगे. तो दिस इज स्मॉल कर्सिव एच यू. कैसे करेंगे? यहाँ से ऐसे, देन ऐसे. समटाइम्स the small children are not able to write it, so what they do, they write like this. They write small printed H, then this. It seems approximately same, but this is not the right way to write. We will write like this. Keep practicing like this only, right? From blue line we'll start, then go at the top red line, then write like this, curve it like this. Fine. So this is how will we write alphabet H. Right. Now I will make you learn how will we write alphabet I in small cursive. First of all, you must know that it is written in the middle two lines, this and this. इन दो लाइंस के बीच में इसको लिखा जाता है. दिस वेरी सिंपल वे. नीचे वाली ब्लू लाइन से स्टार्ट करेंगे ऐसे, देन आप ऊपर डॉट. अगर इसको ठीक से नहीं बनाएंगे तो हमें काफ़ी हद तक सी जैसा लगेगा. तो जिस तरीके से स्मॉल सी लिखते हैं नीचे वाली बीच वाली टू लाइंस में, इसी तरीके से इसको लिखना है, बट यहाँ से इसको ज़्यादा कर्व करना है और ऊपर डॉट लगा देना है. सो दिस इज हाउ विल वी राइट स्मॉल कर्सिव आई. इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल, एंड वंस यू विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग देन यू विल मेक इट डन. सो दिस इज स्मॉल आई. So small I and small cursive H. Now I have prepared a question for you for practice of recognition. Like recognize, you have to recognize and circle alphabet H, then cross alphabet I. So what will we do? To avoid confusion, we will select first alphabet first, that is H. So we'll find out H and we will circle it. This is A, B, C, D, H. So we will circle it. E, F, G, H. H पे हमें circle करना है. I, H. I, A, B, C, C, B, A, D, I. So these are all H in the given question, right? Now we will find alphabet I and we will cross it. So this is A, B, C, D, H, I, sorry, E, F, G, H, I. So I को हमें cross करना है. H and this is I. A, B, C, C, B, A, D, I. So this is how will we recognize the alphabets and follow the given instructions. So in very next question, you have to write small cursive letters for the given alphabets, capital alphabets. So first of all, recognize the alphabets. Then remember what is the way to write these given small alphabets in small cursive. So this is A, capital A, and we will write it in small cursive A. will be written like this. This is B, this is T, this is E for elephant, H for heart. Today only we have learned how to write alphabet H. Then this is I, B, C, and this is F. All of us know that F is written in complete 4 lines. So this is the way how will we write H and I, and we'll have some practice of exercises to recognize H and I. Then we will revise total alphabets which we have already learned, small cursive alphabet. So I hope that you like the video and keep practicing at your home. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.